Can we have a round of applause as an appreciation? Because today JCI India is watching an historic event. We all know JCOM is going to be launched, but we are all more curious to know what JCOM is all about. But before we go about to know what is JCOM, it is time that it is officially being launched. On behalf of all the dignitaries on the desk, on behalf of all the JCs of JCI India, may we humbly request our National President Madam to officially inaugurate and launch JCOM and give it all of us to grow. Let us connect for business.
Thank you, ZP Saujanya. My dear friends, my dear leaders, really, I am very much excited, thrilled. What can I say? I don't know. So hereby, I am inaugurated. This JCOM hereby inaugurate. So let's connect the business for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes. Can we have some music? Can we have some firecrackers? Can we have some applause? And can we have some hurrays as we have the launch of JCOM, JCI India. The team 2021 has definitely taken a historic step in launching something to make all of us, our businesses grow in an official way. There comes the official launch, the logo of JCOM being launched by Team 2021 in the motivation and inspiration of our Bandhan lady, the National President 2021, Rakhi Jain ma'am. Can we have a round of applause? Woo! Wow! That's a wonderful buying to start. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the dignitaries for being here on this historic moment. And I'm sure the ones who are here, the NGB team who is here physically, and all of the JCs all over the country or maybe across the country who are watching this on a virtual platform will be proud on this great achievement of JCI India. Today, we have made sure the hashtag, the tagline, "Let us connect for business" has come true. Definitely, we need to know more. The logo has been launched. What more has a business area given us through JCI India? Let's have a glimpse of the journey of the business area. It's definitely a moment of pride, pleasure, and privilege for all of us as JCs because JCI India Team 2021 has launched JCOM. Let us connect for business. Let us grow in business. It's now time to call upon our National President, Madam, to appoint the new chairman for the year 2021. All eyes are excited. All ears are waiting to hear this great news from the Bandhan lady. May we have a big round of applause as we escort her to the dais.
So here the time to announce who is the chairman for this one of the wonderful event, JCOM. So the chairman is none other than our National Director, Business, JC Dijarjit Singh Lote. He's the person who is working in also 24 into 7 hours for this JCOM for all of us. So Didarji ji, please come on the stage for take the oath. So now he's going to take oath as the national chairman for this JCOM for the year 2021. So please raise your right hand and repeat with me. I do solemnly swear
I do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of
the office of
the chairman of JCOM
Chairman of JCOM
of JCI India
of JCI India
and
will,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
serve as the living example
serve as a living example
of this organization's
of this organization's
philosophy
philosophy
and belief,
and belief,
and will uphold
and will uphold
and enforce
and enforce
the Constitution
the Constitution
and policy
and policy
of this organization
of this organization
at all times.
at all times.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, madam. Thank you.
Congratulations, we have the new chairman for the year 2021. If we want to walk fast, we walk alone. If we want to walk far, we walk together. But we need someone to lead. And to lead the team of JCOM for the year 2021, our national president, madam, has thought this person would be the right choice. And having officially taken the oath, Mr. Chairman, please, I call you upon the stage to take your acceptance speech.
Thank you very much. I am greatly thankful to our leader, Bandhan Lady, National President, JCI India, JC Rakhi Jan Madam. Thank you very much to our Big B, JC Ravi Shankar, and Chairman for the Business Networking and Digital Marketing Committee, past National President Balu Sir, our immediate past National President, Big Boss Anish Mathew Ji, my mentors, Mukhinder ji, Raman ji, Rajesh ji, who are supporting all the time from zone. I'm here as accepting this the prestigious post to serve JCOM for the coming year. So now, as theme was given in the beginning, in the start of the year, let us connect for business. Let us means whole team, whole NGB, whole JCI India from zone 1 to zone 25. Let us all take this challenge. This JCOM, a wonderful platform for the business opportunities. From zone 1 to zone 25, we all can connected at this wonderful platform. So thank you very much. I accept this post with honor, and I will do my level best to excel and brand this JCOM within JCI India. Thank you very much to all of you sitting here. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to Paji from not only the NGB who is here physically, also thousands of JCs who are watching us virtually on the virtual platform. Congratulations. It is now time to hear our inaugurator, our Bandhan lady, our Iron lady, our motivator, the National President of JCI India 2021, JC Rakhi Jain ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, MOC. Very energetic, dedicated chairman, National Director of Business, and currently appointment the chairman for this JCOM, JC Didarjit Singh ji. Today's our guest, our own family head, the chairman of Administrative Committee, the past national president, JCI Senator Ravi Shankar. Our immediate past national president, the mentor, the guiding force for the NGB 2021, JCI Senator Anish Mathew, the chairman of this business committee, and the person who is behind this show, past national president Balavilitham sir, all respected PNPs in virtual mode, all my dear NEC, NGB, and all the committee members of this business networking, all the past, present, current leaders of the JCI India, the brand ambassador, my dear loan presidents, the heroes, all grassroots members, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Greetings from JCI Senator Rakhi Jain from JCI India to all of you. Yes, congratulations JCI India. You turned dream into reality. This is the biggest thing for the year NGB and the team 2021. Every year, NGB announce new projects and program, but we 2021 team did something different and different. We not organized, we not announced one event, two event. We are keep continuing announcing and announcing. Last year we announced SMA, Senior Member Association. Now we just announced this JCOM, JCs of Commerce for all of us. So this is a great achievement for all of us. We have thousands of business persons in our organization, but did not have anyone to connect how we'll connect these businessmen. So we don't know the business of our own chapter member also, what they are doing and how they are increasing their business. But JCOM is going to change everything, everyone's life. It will connect all members by business. It will create more opportunities for all of us and promote our marketing and it's grow our business also. So hats off the determination and dedication of the chairman, Balavilitham sir, and his committee members. Sometimes myself as a national president, sometimes my immediate national president, my NGB, our family head Ravi Shankar sir, Secretary General, also thrilled by their work, the way they are working. Really, there is a dialogue for 24/7, but this is not dialogue for the team for this business networking, the way they are doing work. They are doing till 12 p.m., early morning, 1 a.m. also. Again, they are started their work by 6 a.m. And this is the result. Today, we are inaugurating this JCOM so beautiful way and with all the plan of action we have ready. In India, I always dream of beautiful India, not only as a national president, as a citizen of India, always I have a dream that we have a beautiful India, but without any